Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmar Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to create a printer shortcut on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So you can place a printer shortcut anywhere on a Windows 11 and selecting the shortcut will open the printer queue and allow you to control any running print job. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on search menu and then kailangan mo nang i-type dito yung control panel and then click mo lang dito yung open. So ang next step, dito lang sa taas, makikita mo dito yung category. So click mo lang tong arrow na yan and then select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. And then next step ay, kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung devices and printers. So click mo lang yan. And then madadirect tayo dito sa Bluetooth and devices. Okay, so ang next step dito sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung printers and scanners. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa printers and scanners, so select ka lang dito. So select lang natin yung pinakauna, ito yung paths. So click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung more devices and printer settings para makita natin lahat. So click mo lang yan. And then ito na siya. So makikita mo dito sa taas yung mga devices natin. And then dito naman sa baba, nandito yung mga printers. So select which printers to create a shortcut. Okay, so select ka lang dito sa kanina. So para kung paano mag-create na shortcut, so i-click mo lang yan, is a printer. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung create shortcut. And then pop up ito na shortcut. And then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then once na-click mo na yung yes, so close lang tayo, close. And then makikita mo na dito mga kaibigan, dito sa ating desktop screen, na dito na yung shortcut, yung printer. Okay, so napakasimple lang. Alright, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to create a printer shortcut in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.